Welcome to the Lauren Tamayo's vlog. Guys, welcome to my new vlog. It's dinner time. It's Friday. Happy weekend, guys.
Ano binili mo? Ano binili mo?
There you go.
Pass the tag. Well,
I'm proud and her. Yes.
Ito si Julie, guys.
We're here in the pastry.
Ang ating bogacious na
Watch me and subscribe.
Sila ang nakagilap ko ngayon dito sa town. Day off natin.
We're subscribed.
Kasi daw,
knows everybody.
kasi daw papopromote daw ako. Teka lang. Parang sabihin naman, tumambay lang tayo dito, hindi tayo kumain. Char-char. Guys, naka-rental bike tayo today kasi sira ang ating brakes. Yung bike natin sira. So, ayan. Kaya papasok ako naka-rental. Oh well, that's life, guys. Update you lang, guys. Super close lang talaga tayo. Taste test. Perfect. 10 out of 10. Good. Crunchy. Yummy. Ganda nung heart. Oh, ayan na. Hi! Ito ang mga ano ko, ka-date ko ngayon araw na to. Nahata ko sa labas. Mga hata. Ay, mali.
Kain tayo.
Ayan. So, anong sandwich niya?
Chicken sandwich.
Chicken sandwich. Ang sarap, guys. So, dito na kayo umorder sa, nasa tayo? Coconut wrap, guys. Coconut wrap. Lapad-lapad. Grabe.
Ganda, sarap. Happy weekend.
Happy weekend, guys. Ay, mali. Video pala. Sorry. Creamy, sweet, and really good. Ayun guys, today, nagpunta tayo sa town. At nakita natin si Ann, nag-lunch tayo, and then nag-ikot-ikot.
it's nice day. Saturday off ako. So, usually yun lang naman talaga ang ginagawa natin pag day off natin. So, really enjoy that. And this one, thank you kay Taran at kay Diana sa chocolate. Yum! Galing ng Switzerland and really, really good. Yeah. Dahil lang. Share ko lang, guys. So, yun. I-rate nga pala natin na to. 10 out of 10. 8. Ito lang parang sobrang matamis siya sa akin ngayon. Mahilig naman ako sa sweet. But, this is really may naiiwan sa dilang tamis. Sobra. It's good. Really good. 8 out of 10. Ito siya. Guys, welcome to my vlog. Welcome to Lawrence Tumay's vlog. Today's vlogs, guys, tayo ay aaten ng Indonesian something gathering. So, yan, it's Sunday today. It's my day off and we're getting ready to go out. So, ayan guys, ito ang ating OOTD. Nakita nyo naman kanina, nag-OOTD na tayo. So, let's go guys. See you there. So, update ko lang kayo sa live. Guys, so kahapon nagpunta tayo ng town. It's Saturday, sa day off din tayo kahapon. So nakita natin si Ann, ang ating friend. Cousin siya ni Desmi. And yeah, 2 years na siya dito sa Bermuda. And it's really nice to mingle to her. So she's really nice girl. So yun guys, nag-lunch kami. And nag-ikot-ikot ako sa town. Yeah. So yun lang guys. Sometimes you need day off, you need to go out, you need to talk somebody, and everything will be fine and done, and life is so good. Yeah, grateful na may work tayo and busy tayo and healthy tayo. Yun, kagagaling ko lang pala sa ubo, sa sakit, sa yan. So medyo meron pang konti pero it's gonna goes away now, yeah. Yun. Guys, ang ating update at meron tayong chocolate na dumating. Galing ng Switzerland, galing kay Diana. Thank you, and Tara. And na-taste test natin. So good. Yep. Yun lang, guys. We need to take a photo first.